During sculpting, it can be useful to remesh your geometry. For example, after using the snake hook brush to fix stretched geometry. To preview the voxel size, press Shift R and move the mouse. Then press Ctrl R to do a voxel remesh. Now the stretched geometry has been turned into evenly distributed faces that allow for better sculpting. Alternatively, press Ctrl, Alt and R to do a quadriflow remesh. You then get the option to choose an approximate number of faces in advance. In case you already had a mask, face set or vertex colors on your sculpt, you can preserve these by enabling their options in the Voxel Remesh option panel. Remeshing can also be useful if you want to merge separate objects. To do that, join them first in object mode with Ctrl J. Then you can remesh in sculpt mode and smooth out the seams where they were merged. Hello, if you're interested in sculpting in Blender, there is actually a very long playlist here on YouTube with a lot more tips. Or if you want, you can just go to the next topic.